Okay, we're going to look at question 8 here. Question 8, it's a whole bunch of stuff here. And the financial mass part of the November 21 paper 1. Here we go. A farmer bought a tractor for 980,000. The value of the tractor depreciates annually 9.2% per year annum on the reducing balance method. You have to know that when they say reducing balance and depreciation, to write down this formula. You're losing money every year when it with depreciation, and it's compound, and there it is, 1 minus I to the nth power. Well, P is what your tractor starts with. The interest rate is 9.2 divided by 100. Put it in as a decimal. They said 7 years. Just stick that in your calculator, and there's your answer. 498,685 Rand and 82 cents. How many years will it take for 75,000 to accrue, that's to grow to 116,253 Rand and 50 cents? How long will it take if the interest rate is 6.8% compounded quarterly? Well, just straight compound interest, the compound interest is P times 1 plus I to the nth power. So that's your formula you got to use. It's just a simple compound interest growing. There's the money you invest. There's what it's growing to. The interest rate is 6.8 divided by 100, 0.068, but compounded quarterly. So you divide by 4. Now, you want to put this number up here. This is actually going to give you the number of quarters. You know, I might just solve that. And I know that this n here is the number of quarters that I'm going to have. In the formula, they put 4n here. Now they divided by, now they're going to solve this equation. Now they use a more complex way of working with logs to solve this exponential. They divide by 7,500, they get this big number in the calculator. I think it's so much easier just to use the log button. You see that just below where you turn your calculator on, there's this wonderful button, log button. This is the base of the log, that little number there that sits in the base of the exponent. And 4n is the thing you're going to be figuring out. So you go the log to base 1.017. Then in the bracket, you put 1,550 all the way that big number. Then you just press equals. And look what we get. They tell us that 4n is 25,9999. That means 26. Well, that's how many quarters, 26 quarters. You divide by 4. The answer is 6.5 years. That log button makes it really a whole lot easier. Well, I think we'll give that a video, 8.1 and 8.2, and we'll do the other ones in another video. Okay.